What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'm going to talk about what is blockchain technology and what makes blockchain so unique. In addition to that, what makes blockchain the future technology that will hit us all in due time. Now, blockchain technology is not new. It started back in 1991 as a way to store and secure digital data. But as things have gotten more and more digital, blockchain technology has gotten more advanced and more prevalent in our society. So one of its primary benefits is that the recorded information on a blockchain is hard to change without an agreement from all parties involved. This is actually one of the reasons that makes it so secure. Now, IBM, you may have heard of them, right? Very big company. They explained that each new record becomes a block with a unique identifying hash. Many companies like IBM use what are called private blockchains. Now, in cryptocurrency, many of the blockchains we see are public. Now, linking the blocks onto the chain of records actually forms a blockchain. Bitcoin cryptocurrency uses blockchain technology as well. So let me dive into this article here and talk a little bit more deeper about the benefits of blockchain technology. So just a short list here. So number one, it's an immutable public digital ledger, which means what? It means when a transaction is recorded, it cannot be modified. Okay, so as soon as a transaction takes place, that is it. It is complete. Now, this is really good because it's immutable, right? And when it's recorded, it's done. Just be careful when you're sending and transacting with cryptocurrency that you're sending it and receiving it to the right addresses, because once it's gone, right? Now, number two, due to the encryption feature, blockchain is always secure. Another reason why many people believe, myself included, that it's the future of finance. The transactions are done instantly and transparently as the ledger is updated automatically. So what does that mean? Well, instead of, take, for example, the wiring of money, right? And if I wanted to send money through the traditional financial system across the globe, it would have to go through the banks and it would take days for that money to actually get there. But with cryptocurrency and the use of blockchain technology, I can instantly send a cryptocurrency across the pond in real time and it get there instantaneously. Now, the other really important thing to know about blockchain is it's a decentralized system, meaning there is no intermediary fee required, which is required when we're transacting through the banking system. The last thing I want to mention is the authenticity of a transaction is verified and confirmed by many participants. Again, making it a very secure way to transact. So this is just a little bit of an intro into blockchain tech. Hopefully, this kind of helps you out. One of the things we've also seen happening, and Pew Research did a study on this, is the American trust in the government is near an all-time low. About 1/4 of Americans say they can trust the government in Washington to do what is right just about always or most of the time. Many people believe that blockchain can enable independent verification of governmental claims, which is interesting, right? So it has many, many use cases in addition to sending money and using it for finances, right? And we'll be talking about a lot of those use cases, of course, in the cryptocurrency arena as time goes on. But I just wanted to give you kind of a fresh beginning stage of what is blockchain tech and just to get you started. So this is a good jumping off point. Now it's up to you to do more research on why blockchain technology will be the future. It's why it's one of the big new technologies that usually happens roughly every 20 years. I believe blockchain and crypto is what internet was in the late 90s, early 2000s. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Thank you so much. Hit the like button on your way out. Appreciate it very much. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care.